Hi guys, for today's video I will show you how to delete or remove my AI on Snapchat chat feed. Alright, so let's get started. Open the Snapchat app on your mobile phone and go to chat. Now you'll be able to see my AI and there's no options on removing or deleting my AI on this account. You need to go to settings. So on the upper left side, click the profile icon, and next on the upper right side, click the gear icon to go to settings. Then scroll down, look for support, and under support, click I need help. So hold on a second because I encountered some latency. One moment. So right now under I need help, just click my AI icon. And under my AI, click how do I unpin or remove my AI from my chat feed. Then you will see some couple of steps on how to delete or remove my AI from your chat feed. So as I can see here, only Snapchat Plus subscribers can delete or remove my AI from their chat feed. So you need to subscribe first to enjoy or use this feature. And I did go back to my chat feed and press on hold my AI, click chat settings. You'll be routed to some or couple of options. Then I click notification sound because removing or deleting Snapchat AI is not included on the options provided. And if you want these notification sound features as well, you need to subscribe to Snapchat Plus as well. Subscribe first to enjoy more features. That's it. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.